Hello, guys. Hello. What's up? What's up, my beautiful, amazing people? I know I've missed big time, guys, but I am back. So, guys, how was your Valentine's? Did you enjoy? Were you surprised? Were you like me? Nothing at all. Don't worry. Okay. So, guys. Welcome back to Nyambu and Jane Lifestyle channel, and this is your girl Nyambu wa Jane. So guys, you know, a lot has been going on lately. Ish, kutoka kwa Russia. Anyway, guys, I hope none of my subscribers or none of my viewers fall a victim of Mr. Russian. But guys, I was shocked. Hmm? Is it that we are desperate as Kenyan women? Are we lose? Or is it that the guy was more charming? Or that Kenyan men are not emotionally available? Yeah, it means a lot of things, by the way. It doesn't mean that since they felt the women fall victim of that guy, it doesn't mean that they are loose, they are desperate, that women cheat. No, I don't think it means that way. No, it means a lot of things. First, it can mean there are women who are loose. Sorry to say so. There are others, maybe your husband or your spouse amekuwa akicheat so much that the time ulipata a chance ya kucheat na that guy Mr. Russian, of course, he's not looking bad. Yeah, so the minute a woman get a chance and I decide to cheat, or is it that our men are not emotionally available for us? Unapata mtu is never there for you, is not supportive, especially when you are a wife. Sijui mbona huwa ina happen like ukikuwa married you are neglected. I don't know, I know it's not all men, but most of the men even ndivyo wanafanyanga, but because you have married a woman you neglect her, all the other things utakuwa ukizifanya na side chick. I don't know why. And by the way, that thing have to stop because mnasema mmechitiwa na mrashia, sijui mrashia amewagongea, and maybe you are the cause of your downfall, you are the cause of all this. Yeah, so our men, you need to pull up. Our women, you need to have control. Yeah, we can do better than this. Yeah, so guys, kwa mrashia, yeah, Valentine's ilikuwaje? For me, Valentine's, like, I did a video for you. I was in Murang'a. Yeah, nilikuwa huko job, tulipita Kiharu, tulipita Mathioya. Like, there were very many places. Tulipitia huko Murang'a. Like, I had a good time. We were with my brother, of course. So that was how I spent my Valentine's. So guys, drop your comment, tell us Valentine's ilikuwaje, or hizo ni vitu za dunia, you don't care, you don't do this stuff. Just tell us. And guys, before you proceed, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Yeah, remember to drop your thoughts on the comment section. Guys, please, tumeka sana kwa 50 something me subscribers. Please guys, take me to 70, take me to 100 subscribers, and I will be grateful. Yeah, so my good people, as you can see, by the way, I did my hair. Yeah, I don't know whether you can see it properly. Yeah, I did my hair. Yeah, and then, so guys, what are we looking at today? What are we looking at today? So guys, we are talking matters about love. Okay, there are most people and kila mtu akona vile who define love. Yeah, and love can be shown through many ways. Yeah, kuna mtu kama mimi nasema my love language is money, my love language is this, love unaweza onyeshana in many ways. But now we are in this our generation. eh, I've observed that most of us or most Gen Zs they don't believe in love. Like I was talking to a certain guy from a Juzi, and he was like, nowadays hakuna love. Ati sijui mambo ni tu kuguzishana sijui what and it's done. I was like, what the heck? Tulifika hapa aje? No. So guys, do we have love? Ama hizi ni vitu za dunia? Do you believe in that? Of course there is this thing of feeling sexually attracted to each other, you feel attracted to each other. So beside that attraction, beside lust, love exists. Do it exist? We need to know, guys. So just tell us. For me, I don't know. I don't know. Because okay, there are signs or kuna mambo hukuonyesha there is love. Other sides they show you there isn't. So guys, I don't know. But for okay, I can tell you this. Just trust it. If you feel you are in love, just follow the feeling. Yeah? Enjoy being in love. Enjoy being loved. Allow people to love you. Yeah, kama una feel kunayo, just dig into it. Be in it. Yeah, hakuna haja ya kushinda ukifuata mambo ati hakunanga, hakuna love is come, men has come now. If you get an opportunity kupata kitu yenye you feel is come, my sister, brother, follow it. Yeah, because it do exist. Angalia marriage zenye huwa huko nje. What keeps them together? Love and respect. Mm-hmm. Yeah, what mob sana. Many people, but if you feel there isn't love, hakuna haja ya kuforce issues cause you will be hurt later. Hakuna haja. So if you believe there isn't, just do your friends with benefits, mutual whatever, and you're good to go. Who will judge you? I mean, we are in a world where we live, like we define how we want to live. We live according to our own terms. Si kama kitambo, the society expects you to do this. No, be your own ruler. Yeah, you rule your world. You rule what you want to do. You are your own. You are yourself. There is no need to tunaangalia what they will say, what. No. So guys, just tell us. Tuambie, do you believe in love? Is there love? What are all these? Like, just tell us. And if you don't believe, share it with us. Yeah, share it with us. We need to know all these things. Educate me, I educate you. As I told you, this is Nimojin Lifestyle, and this channel is not mine, it's ours, me and you. Mm-hmm. So, guys, I need to get back to work. So, guys, we'll meet in our next video. Yo, yo. So, that's all for now. Remember to subscribe. We are road to 100. Remember to like, share, what else, and all that stuff. And